Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through exactly how to access archived tasks quickly and easily. Whether you're managing personal projects, client work, or a large team workspace, knowing how to recover archived information can save time and prevent important details from getting lost. In this video, to begin, open your browser and head over to the Clickup website. Sign into your account using your email and password, or use the Google sign-in option if your account is already connected. If you're new to ClickUp, you can create an account by selecting the Sign Up button and following the setup instructions on screen. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the space, folder, or list where your original task was created. Archived tasks are usually connected to the same location where they were previously stored, so this is the easiest place to start searching. To demonstrate how archived tasks work, you can archive a task manually. Open any task, then click the three-dot menu located in the upper right corner of the task window. From the drop-down menu, select Archive. The task will immediately disappear from the active task list and move into the archived section. If you archived it accidentally, ClickUp usually gives you a short option to undo the action right away. Now let's look at how to find those archived tasks again. The first method is directly inside your list or space settings. In many ClickUp layouts, you can click the Show or Hide option near your task filters and enable archived tasks. Depending on your version of ClickUp, this may also appear under List Settings or View options. If you don't immediately see the archived section, don't worry. Another reliable method is using the Workspace settings. Click your Workspace avatar or Settings menu in the lower left corner, then navigate to Spaces. From there, look for Archived Content or Archived Spaces and Lists. This section allows you to access items that were previously archived across your workspace. You can also use the search bar at the top of ClickUp. Simply type the name of the archived task or include the word archive in your search. ClickUp's search feature can often locate archived tasks even if you don't remember exactly where they were stored. Accessing archived tasks can be extremely useful, especially for teams handling long-term projects or collaborating with freelancers and clients. Archived tasks may contain important notes, files, discussions, or completed action items that still need to be reviewed later. They can also help with project tracking, audits, performance reviews, or simply revisiting old decisions and timelines. Another advantage of archived tasks is that they keep your workspace cleaner without permanently deleting important information. Instead of cluttering your active lists, completed or inactive tasks remain stored safely in the background until you need them again. And that's how you can view archived tasks in ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.